Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Tonie Renee. You can hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Today I am doing a Ulta haul with different products that I purchased from Ulta. So I did get the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got this Mario Baduscu, I don't know how to say this. I'm using it as a setting spray. I tried this Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation from NYX by Alissa Ashley. So stay tuned and check out my first impression on it. And I also got this telescopic mascara, which I think is my top fave. What else did I get? I got eyelash glue. But other than that, stay tuned and see how I got this look. I do like the foundation look. It does look a little dry, but I also think I don't know how to feel. I think I do like it, so I think I'm gonna wear it for my videos. I don't really wear foundation that often, so I don't think I'm gonna need it. I'm busy. What? I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, so I think this look, it looks good on camera, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. I like how it came out in person, dry, but maybe I didn't put enough on. I'm not sure. I don't really do my makeup. I don't wear foundation that much. So if you wear foundation a lot, I don't think this is the foundation for you. For special occasions, perhaps, if you're gonna sweat a lot. But yeah, so stay tuned and see how I got this. And as I am wearing pink today, I'm gonna go in. Why isn't it coming in? Oh my gosh, that's too much. And for some reason, in all of my videos, I forget to prime my eyes. I'm just so excited to record. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this brush that I use with my setting powder and just dab. Okay. And now I am going to use my Sipping Pretty Kylie Cosmetics 21st birthday palette, and it's with the shade Pre-Game, which this little light shade right here as a transition. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Martini Mama. This like pink shade right here. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do this on camera. So, as you can see, I did my eyeshadow, and a part of my Ulta haul, I also got, I've come to the conclusion I've been moving entirely too slow because I have to leave in about 10 minutes and I still haven't done my foundation. So cut it. This, no, y'all seen me struggling. It's gonna break before I even get a chance to use it. Jeez Louise. Alright. So now, excess glitter. And just put this on right there. Now I have heard mixed reviews about this foundation. And that is like super matte and it's good for oily skin, which I have, but I've also seen people say that it dries up. They feel dry. So I'm just gonna make sure I moisturize in the areas where I must dry. And hopefully it doesn't come out dry. So like I said, I got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Honey. I have 7 minutes to get ready, so I'm back with my wet beauty blender. And I'm just going to pump a few pumps onto my hand. Like this. That's probably too much, but it's okay. And I'm going to use this. I'll show you it after. And go in with my beauty blender. And I also heard that it dries fast, so I also heard it oxidizes. I'm not so sure. Gotta bring it down to the neck because I ain't trying to walk around looking like a zombie. Okay, yep. That does it. Tape concealer and conceal under here. I think I should add more. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender. I should have really tried this before. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with powder foundation and make myself look more brown because I'm just not feeling it. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in and contour under my cheekbones with this LA Girl concealer. And up here because my forehead always tends to be a little light. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and brush this off my face. Go in with my MAC blush in the shade Fever. My chin looking a little white, so hold on 1 second. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in and okay. Jesus Christ. Alright. So this is my final look. I don't know how I feel about this foundation. It is a little dry. But we're gonna work with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I still am trying to get to 100 subscribers. So if you like this video, actually subscribe right now before you end this video. Press that subscribe button in the corner of this video and stay tuned. I will also be doing more makeup looks and first impressions, hauls, and all that good stuff. So yeah, so subscribe to my channel and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share it. Leave a comment for video ideas and if you've worn this foundation and your impression on it. So yeah, I will be posting weekly as I promised, and I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna end this video. I am wearing pink for the Breast Cancer Awareness Month and all that good stuff. So yeah, bye.